Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Tuesday evening, a little after 9:30. Tracking a weather alert. A wind advisory goes into effect for the entire area, all of southern New England, from 1 o'clock Wednesday afternoon up until about the midnight hour later at night. And we're looking at potential wind gusts during the afternoon and evening hours of 40 to 55 miles per hour. So here's the breakdown on this. Overnight, our threat tracker is low, and even the morning commute looks fine. We don't see anything really high impact, but certainly impacting travel on Wednesday afternoon and evening. Steady rain up to an inch. There'll be some downpours, perhaps some localized minor street flooding. So certainly the evening commute weather-wise is much slower. And again, anticipating some of these stronger wind gusts out of the south and southwest, 45 to 55 miles per hour. I mean, wind gusts of that magnitude, really for the entire area. Here's the breakdown out of the south and southwest for the entire area, including the coastline. So I would say, yes, power outages, the possibility is there. I would categorize it as slight to maybe borderline moderate, but do anticipate there may be a few limbs and a few wires down by early Wednesday evening. So be mindful of that. We don't think it's widespread, but there is the slight risk of some power interruptions. As far as travel, again, the morning looks okay, other than a few sprinkles. The wind is really not an issue. The rain starts to pick up during the afternoon, and much heavier rain and stronger wind by the early evening hours. Look at the temperatures, upper 50s to low 60s. It's almost like a spring-like storm system. Satellite and radar composite. Let me take you out to across the Midwest and the Deep South, and you can see moisture, actually severe weather across the Deep South tonight. Outbreak of tornadoes. Of course, we're not getting that, but this moisture along this cold front, this blue line, headed our way for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. When we take this into the future and watch the time bar, we'll stop things at around 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. Notice the front still well to our west. Other than a few sprinkles, we don't see too much in the way of precipitation. The front drawing closer by early afternoon. This is around 1, 2 o'clock. The rain is just starting to work in. The wind is picking up. And then real bad timing. This is around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. You see the front right on top of us. Heavy rain and some strong wind, but it's very progressive. This is going to move off the coastline rapidly. Watch the clearing from west to east by around 9, 10 o'clock. In fact, here we are by 11 o'clock Wednesday night. Fronts well offshore, skies have cleared out, and behind the cold front, well, what else? Colder air will be filtering in, and will be noticeably colder by Thursday as well. So this is the wind gust forecast. Again, this is primarily mid to late afternoon, early evening on Wednesday. Gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour, and this will be accompanied with rain, heavy at times. So for your Wednesday morning, other than a few sprinkles, not too much of an issue with precipitation or wind. It'll be breezy and mild. The rain picking up, especially mid to late afternoon, and the wind picking up later in the afternoon as well. Looking at temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s, so quite mild. And no surprise, we have a gale warning on our area waters due to these stronger winds. All right, that's the latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.